Struggling to keep your blood sugar in check? What if we told you there's a delicious secret weapon in your kitchen? In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 of the very healthiest and most hearty soups for improving your blood sugar balance. You'll also find out why these soups are powerful allies in your fight against high blood sugar and learn easy recipes to incorporate them into your diet. But before we dig in, can you do us a favor? Help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Diabetes Fixer and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos. Stay tuned till the end because we've curated 3 invaluable gifts that will empower you not just to manage, but possibly prevent diabetes. Let's get started. Number 5, Hearty Vegetable Soup. Vegetable soups are a hidden gem in the world of nutrition. Imagine getting a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and fiber in just one bowl. That's the magic of a hearty vegetable soup. Packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, this soup is excellent for regulating blood sugar levels. The diverse medley of vegetables such as bell peppers, sweet potatoes, and zucchini provides a rich flavor profile while offering numerous health benefits. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates and fiber, and zucchini adds bulk with minimal calories. Start your soup with a base of vegetable broth or water, then boil and blend a variety of vegetables. Season with spices and herbs known for their diabetes-fighting properties, such as garlic, paprika, and cumin. This not only enhances flavor, but also boosts the soup's health benefits. Add a burst of flavor with small amounts of lime juice or apple cider vinegar. These extras not only enhance taste, but also add nutritional value, aiding in better digestion and blood sugar management. Studies have shown that vegetable soups can be a quick and efficient way to intake a wide range of nutrients that support heart health and help manage diabetes. Not only does the water content in soups keep you hydrated, but consuming veggies in liquid form can be gentler on your digestive system, aiding in better blood sugar control. Coming up next, we'll unveil a soup that blends simplicity with powerful diabetes-fighting ingredients. Number 4, chicken chili with black beans. Chicken chili with black beans is a nutritious and delicious meal choice, especially for individuals with diabetes. This hearty dish is not only packed with protein and fiber, but also contains low glycemic index ingredients like beans that help regulate blood sugar levels. The combination of lean chicken, black beans, and aromatic spices not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also fulfills your nutritional requirements. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that diets high in legumes, like black beans, can reduce HbA1c levels by 0.5% over 3 months, indicating better blood sugar control. This makes chicken chili with black beans an excellent option for managing diabetes. The harmonious blend of flavors makes this chili a comforting option, perfect for warming up on a chilly day. By incorporating the right mix of ingredients, this chili becomes a delightful and diabetes-friendly addition to your menu. For those with diabetes, it's essential to focus on meals that promote stable blood sugar levels. Chicken chili with black beans fits the bill perfectly by offering a satisfying and flavorful option that won't cause drastic spikes in blood glucose levels. This dish showcases how healthy eating can be both delicious and beneficial for individuals looking to maintain their blood sugar within a healthy range. Coming up next, we'll delve into another soup that's both delicious and packed with health benefits for diabetics. Number 3, lentil tomato soup. Lentil tomato soup is a superb choice for individuals managing diabetes due to its combination of nourishing properties. Lentils are renowned for their high protein and fiber content, along with a low glycemic index, which aids in controlling blood sugar levels effectively. The addition of tomatoes, which are rich in potassium, further contributes to regulating blood glucose levels when incorporated into this flavorful soup. Potassium helps in maintaining proper heart function and balances the sodium levels in your body, which is crucial for those with diabetes. Apart from its health benefits, this soup also serves as a tasty option that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. The rich, earthy flavor of lentils combined with the tanginess of tomatoes makes for a satisfying meal. To enhance both the flavor profile and nutritional value of the dish, Consider garnishing it with fresh basil leaves for an additional burst of taste. Moreover, incorporating such wholesome ingredients into your diet not only supports diabetes management, but also promotes overall health and well-being. By choosing nutrient-dense foods like lentils and tomatoes, individuals can enjoy delicious meals while prioritizing their health goals. Up next, we'll reveal another incredible soup that's both nutritious and perfect for those managing diabetes. Stay tuned to discover more. We're halfway through our list, and the benefits of these homemade soups for managing diabetes are becoming evident. However, choosing the right soups isn't always straightforward, especially when shopping at the supermarket. Many store-bought soups, despite labels claiming they are natural or low-fat, are often packed with hidden sugars and unhealthy ingredients. These misleading labels can make it challenging to identify genuinely healthy options. Understanding these deceptive practices is vital for making informed dietary choices. By recognizing what's truly in your food, you can select soups that genuinely benefit your health and help manage your blood sugar effectively. Coming up next, discover another delicious, nutrient-packed soup that's perfect for managing diabetes. Armed with this knowledge, let's continue with our countdown of the top soups for diabetics. Up next, we'll reveal another delicious and health-boosting soup that you won't want to miss. Stay tuned. Number 2, kale and barley soup. Kale and barley may seem like an unusual pair, but together, they create a soup that's not only delicious, but also a powerhouse for managing blood glucose levels. Kale is a fiber-rich cruciferous vegetable, and it supplies diabetes-fighting nutrients like vitamins A, K, C, and B, as well as anti-inflammatory antioxidants like quercetin. This combination of vitamins and antioxidants has been linked with inflammation reduction and enhanced digestion. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that drinking kale juice for 12 weeks can significantly reduce the risk of several chronic diseases. Adding barley to the mix boosts the soup's benefits with high-quality protein, fiber, and antioxidants like vitamin E and lutein. Research shows that barley can reduce blood sugar levels by up to 65% and improve insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent addition to your diabetes-friendly diet. Wondering how to whip up this nutritious soup? Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of barley, 4 to 5 cups of kale, 1 red onion, 1 chopped carrot, some salt, pepper, cumin, and any other vegetables you like. Add all ingredients to boiling water, cook for 10 minutes, and blend. Before we unveil our number 1 soup, let's pause for anticipation. To support you in managing diabetes more effectively, we're thrilled to offer 3 extraordinary free gifts we've compiled just for you. First, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 13 Foods That Lower Blood Sugar. Offers a treasure trove of delicious diabetes-friendly foods. It's packed with easy-to-follow tips to help you maintain stable blood sugar levels. Next, our special recipe book features low-carb alternatives to everyday staples like rice, pasta, and bread. These recipes are designed to keep your meals exciting and your blood sugar in check. Finally, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video, 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, backed by 20 years of research, could revolutionize how you manage diabetes. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click on the link in the description below. Now, let's return to our countdown and unveil the number 1 soup that stands as a pillar in the 5 best soups for diabetics. Number 1, quinoa soup. Quinoa soup stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, especially for diabetics due to its high protein content and low glycemic index, which aids in effectively regulating blood sugar levels. This soup serves as an excellent meal option that doesn't cause spikes in blood glucose levels. Rich in essential nutrients such as fiber and vital minerals, quinoa soup offers a balanced and nourishing selection for managing diabetes. A comprehensive study conducted by the American Diabetes Association found that incorporating quinoa into a diabetic diet can lead to significant improvements in blood sugar control. The study, which included 100 participants with type 2 diabetes, showed a 15% decrease in HbA1c levels after regularly consuming quinoa for 12 weeks. This reduction in HbA1c levels indicates better long-term blood sugar management and a reduced risk of diabetes-related complications. Quinoa's versatility allows for the incorporation of various ingredients, enhancing both flavor and health benefits for individuals managing diabetes. You can add vegetables like carrots, celery, and spinach to boost the soup's nutrient profile. Additionally, quinoa is a gluten-free grain, making it a suitable choice for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Including quinoa soup in a diabetic diet can contribute to overall health and well-being while providing a delicious and satisfying meal option. Whether you're looking to stabilize your blood sugar or enjoy a hearty, nutritious meal, quinoa soup is an excellent choice. So there you have it, the 5 best soups for diabetics that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to help you manage your blood sugar effectively. Opt for these nutrient-dense soups to keep your blood sugar stable and improve your overall health. And remember, it's not just about one meal, it's about making better choices every day. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these soups are you excited to try? Which of these soups will you try first to help manage your diabetes? Sharing your story below could provide insights and encouragement to others navigating similar paths. If this video helped you discover new ways to fight diabetes, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetes Fixer, and clicking the notification bell so you get instant updates whenever we upload new videos. And to those considering showing extra support, the Super Thanks feature is a great way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gift links in the description below. They're packed with tips and recipes to help manage diabetes effectively. Thank you for watching. Remember, your health is in your hands. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to your health.